Hello, I'm Samantha from juniorscholars.co.uk. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Giraffe number jigsaw from Lancashire. Lancashire produces beautiful handcrafted fair trade toys and gifts. This colourful 5-piece jigsaw has many educational benefits. Firstly, the jigsaw pieces are painted with numbers 1 to 5 to help improve number recognition and counting skills. Children are encouraged to pick up, pinch and grasp pieces, therefore helping to improve fine motor skills. The chunky pieces help to develop hand-to-eye coordination. Working out how pieces correctly slot together encourages shape recognition and problem solving. Regularly playing will enhance memory and patience skills. This jigsaw is beautifully handcrafted from sustainable rubber wood and painted with child-friendly paint. The product size is 16.5 cm by 8 cm and 2.5 cm thick. Due to the size and shape of pieces, this product is not suitable for children under 12 months. The manufacturer gives it a recommended age of 18 months plus. Once assembled, this giraffe jigsaw can be displayed freestanding on a shelf, adding decoration to any child's room. We hope you have enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. If you would like any more information on this jigsaw and the rest of the Lancashire range, then please visit juniorscholars.co.uk. Thank you.